If you clicked on this video, there's probably a part of you that's begging for you to stop settling and actually lock in on the life that you want. Maybe you thought, okay, this New Year's I'm gonna lock in. Oh, when it turns spring, then I'm gonna lock in. Oh, when it's like the astrological New Year's, then I'm gonna lock in. Or I will lock in XYZ time, or after this, or after I get done with this, or excuses, but no more excuses. Let the summer be the actual time you follow through with your goals. You're done waiting. It's time to actually stop hoping for your dreams to just happen like that. And you're gonna actually start becoming that version of you who lives it, who breathes it, who experiences it on a daily basis. So first of all, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a nice deep breath in your nose and out your mouth. You are valid in where you are and how you feel, and it's not too late to make a change. So you're at the right place and you are being guided exactly where you're meant to be. The summer that changes everything begins right now. First thing that I want you to do is grab a journal or digital journal, whatever you prefer, and I'm going to ask you a few questions. Don't overthink it or feel like you have to write a whole lot. Just write out whatever comes to mind immediately. Now ask yourself, what do you actually want the summer to feel like? Do you want it to feel free, light, not rushed or heavy? Do you want to wake up feeling excited, more ease, more fun, more softness? Second question, what am I no longer available for mentally, emotionally, and spiritually? For example, you're not available for shrinking yourself to make others feel comfortable. You're done tolerating chaos or comparison or overthinking every decisions. And spiritually, maybe you're just done doubting your own power and you're done doubting yourself. Question number 3, if I stop trying to be liked and focused on being me, what would shift immediately? So when you actually stop performing or take off that mask, what will you be like? Would you actually wear what you like? Would you dance more freely? Would you smile at people more in the street? What kind of videos would you post? Would you say no without feeling guilty? Would you actually create what you want and not really care what people think or expect of you? Fourth question, what parts of me already match my ideal self? So you're not really starting from zero or from rock bottom like you think you do. You have wisdom, you have confidence, you have experience in your life that can help you build that strong foundation that you easily can create. So what parts do you already match that ideal version, that best version of you? Are you already kind, thoughtful, understanding, open-minded, a visionary? Are you creative? Are you committed to your healing, your journey? If you're already embodying some things that your ideal self would already feel like or do, then you're already on the right track. This is not about like shaming you. You're not a rich millionaire right now, like what's wrong with you? No, focusing on what you're already embodying and matching. Fifth question is, what's one main character moment that I want to experience this summer? This prompt helps you visualize your cinematic, your soul-aligned life main character moment. It's not just a goal, it's actually like experiencing it. Like in movies, you see the main character like, I don't know, dancing in the rain, like, I don't know, having this magical connection with their dream partner or whatever in the movie. This is your ideal scenario that you want to experience. It can be as crazy or as simple as possible. It all depends on you. It's just basically that one moment that you want to replay forever, your core memory. What is that one core memory you would like to create this summer? Some examples could include you want to look in the mirror one morning and genuinely feel proud of who you become. You want to drive with the windows down, music blasting, and feel like everything is finally aligning. You want to be able to book a trip spontaneously, be fully present in the moment, not fearful. You have the money, you have all the resources you need to go on the trip and the time and the energy. Just script about it. Number 6, what habits and steps can I do more to align effortlessly with my ideal summer and self that I know I have the ability to do? So this makes like your dream life not just up in the air, woo woo, magical like we did with the other prompts. It makes it more practical and reminds you that you already know what works, right? You just need to practice more of that every single day and little by little. For example, drink more water, affirmation tapes, walk more, maybe go outside and go in nature more, say no more. Don't use your phone right when you get up or before you go to sleep. Keep your phone away. Those can be examples of simple steps and habits you can take. Okay, last question. If I could have a conversation with the future me at the end of the summer, what would they tell me? This question kind of just actually puts you in the perspective of someone who already experienced what you want, and it just reminds you that the you who already did everything is cheering you on and wants you to succeed and wants you to have everything that you want. Imagine that version of you who actually has and experienced the ideal summer, who experienced like they feel proud, they feel fulfilled, they feel like excited, they feel accomplished, they feel at peace. What would they say to you right now? At the end of the summer, like a couple months, they talk to you, what would they say? Would they tell you all these like exciting stories that you experienced, or all the breakthroughs that you had, or all the times that you still push through even when it was hard, or you still trusted yourself even if it felt scary or if it didn't make sense in the moment, you still trusted yourself and took the steps anyway. These 7 questions are just intended to get your mind and thoughts flowing towards envisioning that ideal summer that you want. Now that you have your foundation set on paper or on the screen or wherever you wrote everything, now it's time to have some more fun. Like, they have all the mental stuff written out and laid out. So let's get to making our vision board. So you can make this summer vision board physically, digitally, on Pinterest, on Canva, on whatever website you know and are comfortable with using. It doesn't really matter, but make sure that when you do choose your visuals, it's something that's like pretty intentional and something that images that you can just see yourself in. Like, they're not just like maybe random people that you don't know, or just like make sure like you can connect with them truly, because I've made vision boards in the past where I just put like, I guess, things that don't like, they're kind of connected to what I want but not really as specific, and I feel like I have a hard time connecting with those images and like imagining myself there. So it really depends on you and what you like, so just be intentional, have fun with it. If you like a more of a physical vision board, if you feel like that helps you and you want to put it in your room or something, I actually made these printable affirmation cards you can tape on your mirror, keep in your journal, or actually turn it into like a mini deck to pull from them each morning or night. And I like to use them as daily reminders, especially like the ones that I made are for this summer, so I have them taped around my desk and everywhere, and I like to read them. But if you are more of a digital person, you can include them into your digital vision board. And I even have like a set of aesthetic phone wallpapers that you can use for your like actual lock screen and wallpaper. In my opinion, it's especially so effective because if you check your phone like a million times a day, like seeing that lock screen or wallpaper that many times, it's gonna that affirmation is gonna imprint in your subconscious mind, and you're eventually gonna start seeing the effects of it in your external reality, even when you realize it or not. However, none of this is required. Like, you don't really have to get like those affirmation printables and phone wallpapers. They're just there as an extra tool. But again, you can find everything, all that you want on Pinterest, on Google, on wherever. But obviously do what's best for you. Of course, you don't have to get any of these tools, but if you think they're helpful for you, I link them below. But anyway, have fun with it. Have fun creating your vision board. You can even like take photos of yourself and like Photoshop them. Use AI if you want. If you like AI, you can use it to transform it into like something you already have. Like, maybe you want to make yourself like on your ideal, be in your ideal country. You can like take a cutout of yourself and put yourself in there, and just have that, put that on your vision board to see yourself like that every day. You can do little things like that if you really want to put in the effort to create that vision board. Now that you have your ideal summer vision, let's create a way to remind yourself of your ideal summer using music. I want you to create a summer playlist that matches the vibe that you want this summer to embody. This could be like feel-good music, K-pop, pop, rap, R&B, country, or just chill songs in general to remind you of the beach, of your ideal country that you want to visit, of the summer that you want to embody, what you want to manifest this summer in general, your ideal body, anything. Just songs that make you feel free, happy, feel good, uplifted, empowered. We want those feelings. And then having a separate playlist like this with the proper intention just can make it like so good for you whenever, especially whenever you need that boost and reminder. You can just click on that playlist and just remind yourself of all those feelings. You can label that playlist as my 2025 summer for real, like my 2025 summer for real. That's what I would label it, or this summer 2025, or this is my life for real 2025. You know, you can label your playlist like that just to even like the title itself can help invoke emotions and thought patterns to get your mind being like, yeah, this is my life right now. And having a playlist like this will just make aligning with your dream self and dream summer like so much more easier. Help you just stay in that energy and be anchored to it. You've journaled, you've reflected, you visualized, you anchored it with your playlist. But now the question becomes, how do you actually operate in your day-to-day life? Like, I wrote my script out, I wrote everything, every detail, everything I wanted. I made my vision board so I can visually imprint that self. I have a playlist now that I can listen to every time I want to remind myself of that. But how do I operate in my day-to-day life? How do I actually show up as that version of me in real life on a random Wednesday or random Tuesday when nothing might even feel magical? You're just waking up early in the morning, feeling like lazy, groggy, don't want to do anything, just trying to make it through the day. How do you get yourself into that vibe, that summer energy? This part really matters because you're just changing your life overnight, or trying to be productive all the time. Like, it's more about changing how you're doing the things that you're already doing. Instead of rushing through your daily life like you're in survival mode, what if you maybe slow down a bit? If you made like getting ready early in the morning like a more of like a fun flowy thing vibe, like a vibe instead of just like a to-do task that you just gotta cross off your checklist. Maybe take time with your skincare, things that you do every day. How can you infuse more of that calm, peaceful energy? Or maybe you cook your food, prepare your food with more love and intention, and eat more slowly instead of like chomping away while you're looking at your screen. Like, no, we're not being iPad kids, guys. Or maybe you pick out your outfit with more intention. Maybe how would the ideal version of you dress in the summer? Maybe you're choosing for them. You're infusing your everyday life with the ideal summer you. So you can just make your daily life more magical and more fun by just infusing everything that you do with intention and magic. It's not to prove anything. It's not out of desperation, not out of lack, not out of fear. You're just moving as a version of you who has what they want, because the version of you who has what they want, they're not always chasing. They're not in survival mode. They're present. They're present with their life. And that's a clear difference on how you're going to operate in your daily life. And one way to do that is with affirmation tapes. Affirmation tapes will help you lock in mentally and give you time, maybe 5 minutes a day, 2 minutes a day, just to be in that present moment and think as your ideal self. I put together a little playlist for the summer. It's filled with audio tracks. It's literally there to help your transition and operating in your daily life to your ideal self. So first thing in the playlist I have is the Summer Rampage, which I recorded with my voice, and it's in the I Am Tense. Right now I only have the I Am Tense affirmation tape uploaded, but I'll see if I want to do like a U tense version, because I feel like that's also helpful for a lot of people. Let me know in the comments below. I don't know if I'll have it uploaded by then when I edit this, but I also added a few text-to-speech affirmation style tapes, like robotic affirmation tapes that are from my second channel, and I included that in the playlist here. And it's all about your ideal perfect summer, so it's literally exactly what you want. It's very general terms. It's not trying to steer in a specific way. So this challenge is going to be very super chill, honestly. It's not going to follow some strict rules like you need to listen to this like for 10 hours a day and all that. No, every day just literally pick one affirmation tape to listen to. That's it, only one. And you can listen to one affirmation tape once a day. That's it. Just be consistent. And you can listen to it while you're walking, while you're cooking your food, while you're eating, while you're doing your hair, while you're doing your laundry, while you're washing your dishes, while you're getting ready. There's literally no perfect way to do it, no strict rule. All you gotta do, listen to one once a day. Honestly, if you want to, if you feel like it, you can also listen to all of them at once, or just listen to multiple times a day, as many times as you want. So there's no pressure, there's no force. Just be consistent. That's all we're trying to do here. We're creating the habit of consistency for 21 days. When this video comes out, we're gonna be starting that challenge. I'm gonna be on it too. So if you feel alone on this manifestation journey, if you feel like I want to do this challenge, but maybe I need someone to hold me accountable, yes. I'll be doing it with you. I'll be posting about it every single day for 21 days, just to remind you, and so you can comment about it and share your results as we go through the experience. Playlist will be linked below, so you can save it and listen to it whenever you need to. And your only job is to literally press play and then let your subconscious mind soak it all up and rewire effortlessly. So before you go and start maybe making your summer playlist, making your vision board, writing in your journal, listening to those affirmation tapes, or if you haven't done that already, if you're gonna do it after this video, let me just remind you of something important. Let this transition to align with your dream self and your ideal version be easy. Because like, you don't really have to do the most to get what you want. Honestly, you don't have to. Like, I know sometimes it feels like you have to hustle, you have to do so much, and you have to control everything. But your dream life, it's not gonna come from you being in panic mode 24/7. It's gonna come from you being you, simply by you just existing. Naturally, effortlessly, easily, and rest in peace, and also showing up. And it's also gonna show up that inner knowing of course it's already mine. I claim that it's mine, I affirm that it's mine, and I know it's on its way, and everything that I want is only gonna get better. That inner knowing is what it's gonna create, and that you're worthy and that you're deserving of it. So if you're gripping on too tight, you're second guessing yourself, trying to make everything be too perfect before you can act and make a decision or do something that you don't want to do, that you know that you gotta do, just relax. It's safe to chill, it's safe to rest, and it's still safe to believe big. Because the stuff that is meant for you literally cannot miss you, even if you're just vibing, even if you're taking it easy, even if you're resting, even when you're overthinking or spiraling for like the 5th time in a day. Trust that it can be easy to get what you want, and let things come to you. Let things come to you, not the other way around. You don't have to chase. not anymore. Keep showing up for yourself, do what feels right for you, affirming, scripting, but like let go of that stress, release that worry, release that stress, release all the burdens that you're feeling. You are not behind, you're not messing it up. You're just in that middle space of locking into the place, because every moment you have that decision. You have the choice on what you want to do, and trust that. Trust that whatever decision you make is in alignment with your highest good, and whatever happens is for your highest good and the highest good of all. I intend that anything that you may have heard in this video hopefully activated or maybe allowed you to feel something that you maybe haven't felt in a while, and that this is the moment where your life starts to shift. I don't care how slow things have felt before or how hard things felt before. It's happening now. It's happening now. Whatever you want is happening now. I believe in you. And always remember, you are enough. You deserve the best. And I'll see you soon. Bye.